So once you have made a will, how do you make sure it's valid? My name is Natasha Hejabizadeha. I'm a solicitor at Nicholas and specialise in wills, trusts and probate, court of protection and community care matters. Today I'm going to talk about how you make sure your will is valid. Anyone making a will must have the mental capacity to be able to do so. This is known as having testamentary capacity. The legal test of testamentary capacity is whether a person understands that they are giving their property to persons of their choice when they die, the extent of that property, and the nature and extent of their obligations to relatives and others. If you are over the age of 65, a solicitor may advise you to seek a capacity assessment from your GP, which will then be stored with your will as an extra safeguard. The will must also be in writing. You will obviously need to sign the will, and it must be witnessed by 2 independent people. This means it cannot be witnessed by your spouse, any beneficiary of that will, or a spouse of that beneficiary. Finalising your will with a solicitor will give you the peace of mind that it has been executed, in other words, signed and witnessed correctly. That concludes the basics of how you make your will valid. This is only an introduction to the issue, so please take a look at the other videos on this site, as they may be able to answer any other queries you may have. You can also call me or one of my colleagues for a free chat to see if we can help, or you can attend our Wills, Trusts and Probate Clinic, which runs every Tuesday between 2 and 4 p.m. for a free 20-minute, no obligation consultation with me or one of my colleagues.
This video is designed to be a brief introduction to the topic that it covers, and we hope you found it useful. It aims to be informative and to assist people to take the next step in solving the legal problem that they may have. This video does not constitute legal advice and does not seek to solve specific legal issues. If you have a specific legal problem that you need solved, you should take expert legal advice from a solicitor.